In this video, we are going to talk about how we can do digital marketing on LinkedIn. So if you have a B2B business and you are looking to do marketing online, then this video is for you. So as we all know that LinkedIn is a social media platform, especially for professionals. So this is something very different from your normal Instagram and Facebook where you just post anything. LinkedIn is a targeted social media platform only for professionals where they post only professional stuff. So this platform is mainly focused on B2B leads, or maybe you are just an individual who is looking for a job and you want to connect with a professional network, then this platform is for you. Or maybe you are a freelancer and you're looking for a freelancing gig, then again this platform can do wonders for you. So in this video, we are going to take a look at what are few steps that you can take to optimize your LinkedIn profile and how you can get leads from this platform. So let's start with the point number 1, and that is the basic point: create a perfect bio. Now LinkedIn is a platform where bio is very important. Whenever someone visits your LinkedIn profile, they are going to read your bio to connect with you, or whatever keywords or things that you enter in your bio, LinkedIn will start suggesting you jobs, and they will also suggest you people who are with similar intro or similar bio. So whatever you enter in your LinkedIn bio plays a very important role. And once you have created that perfect bio with all the keywords and terms which are related to your business, then comes the next point: connect with others. So maybe you can connect with your friends who are already in job in another company, or maybe you are a business owner, so you can connect with different business owners in your category, or maybe someone else. So LinkedIn is all about building a professional network. So go ahead and connect with the people who you know or maybe you wish to know, and then just observe what kind of content they are posting. So the best way to do is to follow influencers and big accounts in LinkedIn and see how they are posting content. And that brings us to the next point, which is engaging with others' content. Now LinkedIn, just like Facebook, provide a good virality factor when you share or interact with content of someone else. So if you comment, if you share, or if you like any post from someone else, then LinkedIn is going to put that in your profile and all your connected network will be able to see that post. So just like Facebook, LinkedIn also got a factor of virality which you can easily tap to grow your account. And that brings us to the next point, that is posting videos. Now recently LinkedIn started pushing videos on their platform, and if you really want to grow on LinkedIn, then this is the right time to start posting videos, and you will see some great results because there are very less people who are doing videos on LinkedIn. And if you have any services or any product that you want to promote, then put up a link in the comment section of that video, and LinkedIn will definitely push your videos to your network and similar account in your category. And that brings us to very important next point, that is use of hashtag. Now just like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, hashtag plays a very important role on LinkedIn. And once again, if you use them correctly, they can bring virality factor to your content. So make sure you check the trending hashtags in your category and then make sure you add those in your content whenever you post your content or share someone else. Next point is writing articles on LinkedIn. Now you don't have to dedicatedly write content on LinkedIn, but if you are doing content marketing as a blog on your website, then you can put up a small piece of that blog and put it on LinkedIn articles and then link that to your blog or your website. So if you are writing an engaging content, people will definitely go to your website and then you can attract them to your products and services. And then comes the next step, that is creating company page. Now just like Facebook, you can create a company page on LinkedIn as well, where you can post all the content that we have just mentioned. But it's better to post the content from your personal profile, and maybe you can share the same on your LinkedIn business page. But if you do that from your personal profile, it will carry a lot of weightage. And then comes the next point, that is joining groups. Now LinkedIn also got groups like Facebook, but this one is of course only for professional things. So make sure you join various groups in your category and see what people are posting there and try to be as helpful as possible. Do not try to push links of your website in those groups. Definitely there will be some guidelines that you need to follow, but the more you try to help in groups, the more leads or the inbound leads you will get from others. So these are some of the points that you can follow to do digital marketing of your business on LinkedIn. If you have any questions regarding LinkedIn marketing or digital marketing in general, then feel free to let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.